Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Crocs, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Through the Storm by Polo G, one of my favorite songs by Polo G. Go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these Crocs. All right, so obviously today we're gonna be taking a look at the Space Jam Crocs. But before we do get into that, I just wanna show you guys what they came in. They just came in a plastic bag that says Crocs. I was able to get these from Finish Line, and these retail for, I believe, $65, which, you know, if you ask me, that's a lot for a pair of Crocs, but the average Croc does go for $40 or $50. Also, I do wanna mention that these are clog Crocs. I don't really know what that means, but I do notice that the bottoms are different. Like, comparing them to my Croc that I wear every single day, like the bottoms are different. You can clearly tell they have like extra stuff on here, and also like the strap is different. I'm pretty sure it just means that these are made to be worn outside, but yeah, people do that with Crocs anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I do like that you can take this off if you don't like it. I'm not gonna take it off. I actually think it looks really good like that, but it is an option. And also, if you bought these, you probably watched the Space Jam movie, so if you did, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. But yeah, this Croc is crazy. It reminds me of those like Galaxy Crocs just because of the colorway, and I really like it. It is basically just a regular Croc, except on the inside it says Space Jam New Legacy, and then right here it says Toon Squad. You also come with a couple little designs on the front. You have a basketball on each side, and then you have Toon Squad and Space Jam. I do want to point out that it is reversed, so on this side it says Toon Squad, and this side it says Space Jam. This says Space Jam, this says Toon Squad. And yeah, I really like these. I don't know if I'm going to keep them, to be honest. I just picked them up for the review, but these are really nice. And you know, let me just say, Crocs are pretty in right now, but you know, when I was a kid, man, I used to get flamed for wearing Crocs, but now everybody wearing them. Oh, these also come with a couple tags, so I'm going to show you those. Comes with the regular Croc tags. I'm going to just put those to the side. And it just comes with a Space Jam tag right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There really isn't anything too crazy about this pair. So yeah, I'm going to just spin the shoe around for you guys so you guys can get a nice look at it. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Space Jam Crocs. I also just realized I forgot to talk about sizing, so let me just tell you guys about that real quick. I always go true to size in Crocs. I just think that fits best for me. I wear a size 9, and that's what I got in these. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these Crocs in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these shoes on feet.